So nearly 10 years in the making, Rotalink's new website is live. So 10 years sounds like a long time, but the website started and finished in 2025. But it is in fact that long that we've been speaking with Rotalink. When it came to renewing their existing website, there were some problems with the site that they couldn't get over. And that's that the website was very product focused. Now, Rotalink's biggest selling point is their expertise and solutions to motion problems and challenges. So in my hands here is one of Rotalink's products. This is a modular gearbox aimed at solving motion problems. So the purpose of the new website was to bring the skill sets of the people at Rotalink to the forefront. Now, focusing on target applications, key industries is what was key to attracting the quality inquiries that Rotalink are looking for. I think what really stands out on the Rotalink website is the visuals and the quality of photography and video. That's really what makes a difference to me. Projects that go as well as this largely happen due to seamless communication with the customer, and a huge thanks goes out to Scott, Pete, Harry, Zena, and of course Melvin, who's founded the company in 1986 and is still working and operating there today. The new website is a much truer representation of who Rotalink are today, what they've achieved in the past, and where they're going in the future.